call your mother for me.
No, good afternoon.
What's good about the afternoon? I have not come to entertain all those stupid greetings of yours. I said go in there and call your stubborn mother for me.
Eh?
You ask me.
Nani, with all due respect, I won't have you come to my house and insult my mother and I. That will not happen. Respect is reciprocal. Please.
And if I do, what will happen? Eh? Look, if you do not want your mother to be insulted, then talk to her. Let her abstain from things that will attract insult to her. Are you hearing me? And for your information, I even did not insult her. I only said she's a stubborn woman. So go in there and call your stubborn mother for me.
And for your information, my mother is not at home.
I am not here for jokes. Hear me? You little rat, go in there and call your mother for me.
Uncle, I'm not a small rat. Besides, mother is not around. Please leave our compound.
See who is talking. You're addressing me that way. This fool do not have respect for elders.
Uncle, I wouldn't want to repeat myself again. Leave our compound.
You heard him.
And if I don't,
I
I cannot see that your late father transferred those his stubborn attitudes into your small head. Come on, go in there and call that stubborn mother of yours for me.
Come on, let me call my mother.
That mother is not around.
I'm coming, let me call her.
Who is talking? You even have man to speak English language. Children of now, mother. I'm waiting for the mother.
Uncle, is there?
It's a lie!
No, come back now! Come back! No, you should have stayed now.
Let me see you again.
Amy boy! Hey!
Sister.
I am so impressed. I never knew you could be this courageous.
Sister, don't worry. Just continue with your washing. Let me see this useless man here again.
Ah.
You want to see my mother?
Amy, mother will be so proud of you. Amy, one name has proven to be the man of the house today.
Wait, oh, I can't still believe it. That the king received Chizoba with open arms after what she did.
I'm beginning to see facts about what he betrayed me concerning Chizoba. That Chizoba bewitched the king. Even the queen was speechless concerning the whole thing.
To me, I think the king pardoned her because of what happened to her face.
Even at that, I can't believe there is something wrong with Chizoba. You know that girl could be mischievous at times. You see, that swollen face could be a camouflage to avoid punishment.
No, I disagree with you on that. Because looking at her face, you will agree with me that someone must have dealt with her seriously.
Why are you laughing? Isn't it funny? The way Chizoba became deaf and dumb. Then later she now came to the kitchen and was acting up. Wait, though, you guys are not even sharp at all.
Well,
Just talk about it.
the one thing just got into my mind. That Chizoba is a clown.
What is this? Why this level of salt in this food? This food is salty. What is wrong with you?
Are you not the one she's talking to? Or did the thing choke your mouth too?
I don't understand what is going on. Is it the same food I'm eating from? It's not salty.
Your Majesty, are you saying I'm lying? I don't know what I'm testing. This, I don't like the way you oppose me each time I find out something that is wrong in the house.
Why are you doing this?
What is this?
Well, we usually say that one man's meat is another man's poison. We don't have the same taste buds. At least not when it concerns this food I'm eating. That's where it's nice. I don't know what to do now, okay, but this one I'm eating is tasty. I could make do for with more.
Daddy, the food is salty.
Thank you.
Mom is right, big. Mom, the food is salty.
This food I'm eating is nice. I don't know what you're talking about. By the way, what happened to you? What did you say about it?
Finish everything. One thing. In your mouth. The king is my man. Take it, my king. Hi! Anything you want in this palace, I'm going to do it for you. Imagine the cookie. And that princess said that I put too much of salt in the food. Just to put me into trouble. The king is my man.
So, after working since morning, this is what we get. Eh? Why is she about like this? Just can you just imagine?
There's not even meat in the food. Look at the what? Just see. Just look at. My own is even worse. Maybe they should be giving me small food.
Are you people not tired of complaining? Let's look for a way to relate it to the king or queen. Me, I'm tired. If not, we'll die in this house. We'll die. Choose someone who kill us in this house. So.
It will not make any difference. Even if you should report it to the king, it won't make any difference.
If not for anything, I'll in this food. In fact, I'm not eating.
I go even up to 4 spoons. 1, 2, 3 is finished.
If I slap you, you say you're not eating, and let me take your...
Give me my food, John.
You say you're not eating. Some people say, she said she's not eating and she's still dragging the food.
Hey!
My sisters, so despite how many years that girl spent in the city, she came back to this village with nothing. I mean, nothing, not even eye pencil. What a shame. Pah!
Uche, you surprised me. What do you expect a prostitute to return with to her father's house? Funny enough, she thought we don't know what she was doing in the city.
You're sounding as if she told you that directly.
My dear, believe it or not, there's no other explanation to it. We all know that she's from a poor home. She doesn't have any relative in the city.
I agree they don't have anyone in the city. But you don't need to have someone in the city to travel there.
What are you insinuating?
I am trying to correct your impression. People living in the city don't have someone there. Some go there as hustlers. Some get blessed, while some get frustrated and left.
We are saying the same thing. Tina went to the city to hustle with her body. She got frustrated and left because she wasn't getting what she expected. We are saying the same thing.
Why do you talk about them with so much hatred?
Nkiru, why am I having this feeling that you're speaking against us? Let me ask her. Ask her! Nkiru, are you for them or you are for us? Let me understand. Because you're supposed to be my friend.
I am sorry if I make you feel that way.
It's okay. Everything is my fault. Because if I did not bring this discussion, all of you here will not be fighting. It's okay.
I'm glad you brought it. I'm glad you brought this discussion. At least everybody in this village will know the kind of family they are. My hair, you want to break my neck.
Why are you beating my sister?
She wants to break my
No,
neck.
you want to... In fact, don't play it again. It's okay. Go. Come, let me do it for you. Go.
Yeah. You're going to your house.
It's not good fine. Let me lose it and start again.
Chizoba, come here. And what kind of miracle happened to you between yesterday and today?
No miracle. Oh, hey! My mouth! Hey, my princess.
Yesterday, as I was sleeping, I just heard a voice saying, Chizoba, open my eye. Chizoba, arise, receive your healing. As I check my mouth, I said, huh?
Shut up. Shut up! Now let me tell you something. You can succeed in deceiving everybody in this palace, but not me. You can never, ever penetrate me with your lies and deceits. Do you think I don't know you were faking all that? Fake chef.
Princess, how will I fake? How can they fake swollen mouth? Huh? How? It's just, that's exactly what happened, what I just told you now. I'm telling you, I said, receive your healing. I just went.
It's okay. Now let me tell you something. Listen and listen carefully. That my father is supporting everything you do in this palace does not give you the right to treat the maidens the way you were treating them. Leave the maidens alone. You are equally a maid like them.
Okay,
and I don't want to hear any report from any of them again.
Okay, my princess.
And now listen. You have to caution and discipline yourself by yourself.
Okay.
Or I will do it for you when the right time comes.
Sorry about that.
Hope you heard me right.
I heard you.
Thank you.
Please.
What is it again?
I'm very sorry. Because you know, this palace now, somebody has to be very careful of how they are carrying themselves. Please. This bone straight girl, did she report me to you? Because everything that they say is lie.
She's about to your duty post.
Okay. Because you know, if we want to start to report each other now, the palace will be on fire.
She's about go.
Okay.
Go! Gosh. What a troublesome chef we have here.
Royal chef. Royal chef.
Hey, yeah, Chama. Come now.
Cannot run again.
Cannot.
Yeah? This list, look at it. Yeah? Is everything okay? You cannot talk? Look at that list. The queen said you should go and get everything inside that list. And you have to get it fast. If you waste any time, she's going to run mad at you. You know she's mad already. So make sure you hurry up and buy everything. And she wants them fresh. Take.
I'll be first.
Yeah. Chioma! Yeah. The bucket you carry there, who will carry it?
I'll come back. I'll come back and take.
When you come back, go and carry it, oh. I told you.
Royal chef. Our chief cook, Aniga Nachaka, but no vest here, come Machalo testing.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
This kind of life no balance well.
I know what you both are looking for. I won't let you have it.
Bring it on! Bring it on! I am ready to accept whatever meal you dish out. Bring it on!
What can she dish out if not for her overused, shameless body? I don't have your time.
Come back here! Come back here and rant! Come back here! You know what will happen to you now? Come back here!
Yellow Popo,
Useless
what
thing.
can you do?
Stupid fool! I wish she had initiated the fight. I would have beaten her mercilessly.
Hi. She's very smart. She knew what we are going to do to her. That was why she did not make any attempts.
I made a mistake. I would have slapped her first. Let me see the power she has. At least her sister is not here.
So what do we do?
I don't know.
Let's go after her. Let's chase her. Yes, let's go after her.
Okay.
Let's go after her.
Come back! didn't catch up with her, despite we were fast.
I don't think she followed the same road.
But this is the same road leading to our miserable house.
I know, but it's either she branched or she suspected we were coming after her and dodged.
Whatever it is, let her thank her stars we did not catch up with her. Else, I would have given her the beating of her life. She would have regretted leaving her house in the first place.
I swear.
Stupid thing.
Nonsense. Don't worry. Another day, we will show her Pepe. We will show her Shaggy another day. Today is her Christmas.
The market here. What are they doing here? Hi. This is marketplace.
Did you hear her question?
She'll soon be back.
Soon be back from where?
From the market. The list that you gave to me, I gave it to a maid to quickly run and go and get it from the market.
I sent you to the market as a chef in this palace. You went out there and sent a maid?
Your Majesty.
Why? What's the... I don't understand.
Please calm down. Do not be hungry. I know that you're very, very hungry, but she'll soon be.
You see yourself? Huh? You see yourself? After I warned you not to get the queen angry, you went there and you went to delay. Hey, apologize to the queen now.
Forgive me, Your Majesty.
Choma, get up and go. I can see that you're getting tired of this position in this palace. You're getting very tired of this position. I can see it.
Your Majesty, no.
Which one is Mbana?
Sorry about that. Huh? You see these girls, they are very lazy. After you gave me the list, I came outside. I saw them, 3 of them, they were gossiping. So the spirit said to me, separate them. So I sent this one to the market. Huh? The spirit came to me again and said, Jesus, you have tried. Go and sleep. That's what I was trying to do before you came and woke me up. Please, sorry about that. I come and do this for you.
The spirit told you?
Yes, Your Majesty.
I hope the spirit will allow you to come and cook the food.
It will finish now, I cook it.
You're getting tired of this position. I know exactly what you do.
I'm very sorry, Your Majesty. I'm very, very sorry.
Hi. You see you. Yeah, you. Your Majesty.
Bia, what is it? Huh?
Chichi, I am not feeling too well. I just got a drug which requires that I should eat before taking the drugs. Please, I need a little food. Yes.
Hey. Where did you buy the drugs?
Oh, at the Okeke's chemist shop.
Hey, Okeke shop here? Yes. It's not far. Go there and ask Okeke to give you food so that you can use to take your drugs. Did you hear me? This your head that's like hunger. I think I did not know that you are the one that told the queen yesterday that I came back late. Huh? And this your nose that's like a whistle. I will not give you any food. I have been waiting for you since. I have been praying for you to come and beg me for something so that I will do you something. Yeah? Go there and collect food. I will not give you. Even if there is plenty food in this kitchen, I will gather out the dogs. I give it to them. I eat to my own fill and I kick the rest away.
Huh. But you know that was King's instruction. That I should let him know when you are back. Please don't use it against me now. Give me food.
Just smelling mouth. Don't disturb me, please. You're a very bad person with a bad heart. You're only trying to be nice now, behaving like a good person because you want food.
What a beautiful girl. What a beautiful one.
Even if it's a little one. I would die in this palace. So.
She believes she know her right.
I said there is no food.
She know what she wants.
I would die here.
She know the tech nonsense. Only her go taste the food. Before you eat, you take permission. From Jesus above. Before you walk, you take permission. Our chief cook, royal chef, royal chef, our the pedigree, our chief cook, Aniga la chaka, but no vesio, come machalo testing.
Your Majesty. Are you blind not to see that everyone is seated to be served? And you just passed to watch television?
I greeted you, Your Majesty, but I cannot serve food now because it's not yet time.
I don't understand. How?
In this palace, we do breakfast 8 a.m., dinner 2 p.m., lunch 8 p.m. As it is now, it is 1:30, 30 minutes more for dinner to be served. So I said, let me just watch TV before it will be time for me to serve you for dinner.
Your Highness, did you hear that? So you will not tell me when to eat and how to eat in my own house? Did you just hear that? How?
Your Majesty.
First of all, the timetable we gave you, we said breakfast 8 a.m. Lunch 2 p.m., not dinner. Dinner 8.
My calculation, sir. The time is what tells me which one is which one. So even if I say dinner, I actually meant the one for the noon lunch. Yes, sir.
It's okay, but please, in this palace, when we are hungry, serve us food, please.
Oh, okay.
Once we are set to eat, you serve us food. Everybody, yeah, including her, everybody.
Father.
We don't want to go through the timetable again.
Okay. What are you doing? Are you begging her or what?
You shut your mouth. Is she your mate? Don't talk to her like that. Listen, Chizoba.
Your Majesty.
This time around, you will bring the food.
Okay.
But in this palace, once we are hungry and want to eat, you bring the food.
Okay.
Okay? Don't follow that timetable just the way it is.
It's principle. It's based on principle, Your Majesty. But I want to understand you now. So now, I should go and bring the food and serve it for everybody to eat.
Yes, please bring the food. Let us eat.
Are we going to follow this timetable now or bring the food now for everybody to eat? Because are you saying now that no more table manners? Anytime anybody is hungry, they'll just shout, Chizobanli, and I bring it.
Chizoba, it's just a guide. The timetable is a guide.
Okay.
We're not following it just like that. But bring the food.
You want me to follow the guide or you want me to...
Chizoba, serve the food.
What a beautiful girl.
Because of the timetable.
Chizoba! Seafood.
Okay.
Just open the door. Let's open it. Yes. Don't sit down.
So who is she to tell us when to eat and when not to eat in our own house?
When they don't say, you teach them. They will learn. Everything is step by step.
Your Majesty, because you know you have not allowed me to talk. I want to know there is food, but should I bring the snack first before I bring the food, or the food before the snack? Or you want to eat all together at once? Since there is no more rule and regulation now, everybody is doing anyhow they want. You want to eat when you want to eat.
Chizoba, go get me food. Go and serve food.
Bring the food that's ready.
Okay, so no more wait watching. Just bring the food for everybody. God! Did you see that?
Chizoba, I want you to listen to me carefully. When I welcomed you to this palace, I welcomed you like you were my own daughter. Ever since, I have treated you exceptionally well. In fact, to the chagrin and surprise of every other person. If you want this to continue, then you must learn how to be humble, especially before the queen. Need I tell you that the queen has the power to throw you out of this palace at any time? So don't misuse these opportunities that you have.
Your Majesty, have you reached like this?
Oh, it's gone beyond that. It's not what you seem. It's not what you think it is. In fact, you have to go and apologize to the queen right away.
Okay, Your Majesty. I will do what you have to say. You say I should go and apologize to the queen now.
Do you have problems with your eardrums?
No, Your Majesty.
So go and apologize to her.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Oh, maybe you don't know what the apology is.
No, Your Majesty.
I go there, what should I tell her?
You're asking me what you're going to tell her?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You don't know what an apology is? Go and beg her. Tell her you won't do it again.
What did I do wrong now? Eh? What did I do to the queen? Now, Your Majesty said I should go and apologize. I should go and tender apology. For somebody to have New Year revolution and stand by that revolution, is it wrong? Is it wrong? Oh, Chizoba, you two, you are crazy. Go and tender apology. What is there? Just to go there and say, I'm sorry. Oh.
Thank you, Choma.
Thank you.
My queen, how are you today? I hope that you are fine. The way you are looking at me now, I know that if you have the power to kill me, you will do it. But thank God that God passed you.
What did you just say? I
have not finished, my queen. I have come here, Your Majesty, to beg for your forgiveness. Everything I have done to you that is not good, please, forgive me. And every bad thing that you have in your mind, every evil thing you have in your mind for me, please, remove it from your mind so that me and you can live in peace and in harmony.
Chizoba, I thought you're here to apologize to my mother. What are you talking about?
Hey, Bia, my princess, do not get involved in this matter. We did not call you to be the judge in this matter. This matter is between Her Royal Majesty and Her Royal Chef. Please, do not get involved. My queen, thank you very much for forgiving me. Long live the queen, long live the queen, long live the queen.
Mother, honestly, this your chef is something else. What is wrong with her?
Why do you think I'm still tolerating her in this palace? That stupid attitude.
This is so funny. Look at the way she forgave herself and left. Without even hearing from you. Long live the queen, long live the queen, long live the queen. Ah!
Hey, Bia, is that how you're going to sit down there? Eh? He said, my friend, go and help Mama. If they cook it now, you're the one that will eat it.
Yes, sister, this is not a man's work.
Shut up, my friend. Go there.
This is not a man's work.
Useless person. It's only a woman's work.
Yes.
Not a man's work.
Yes.
Oh yeah, start. Everybody is sitting. He's here. Like somebody that rubbed his stick is looking.
Chizoba, Mama. My God will bless the king.
Amen.
And replenish his purse 1,000,000-fold.
Amen,
Mama. Mama, the king is a very good man.
He's a very, very good man. But he married a very bad wife.
How did you know?
The queen and that our papa daughter. I'm waiting for the day I'm going to beat them very well.
What did they do to you? What did they do to you?
They are angry, Mama. They are very angry that the king loved me so much. I have waited for them to repent. They have refused to repent. Because if they did not repent, I'll put poison in them.
Yeah! Chisoba, God forbid. My daughter will never have another man's blood on her hands.
Mama, wait, don't tell me you're taking her serious. You know sister likes to joke. She's just joking.
Mama. So if somebody come to you now and tell you that I put poison in somebody's food and the person die, you believe? I will not believe. But don't joke with that again. Don't. Stop it. Sorry.
Sister cannot do anything, Mama. Don't mind that.
And Chisoba.
Hey.
I hope you did not come here with the palace key. I said it.
Hey!
I said it. Chisoba, I have told you severally that whenever you are leaving that palace, you should open the kitchen doors. Don't come with a key. They will loot my palliative.
Hey!
My palliative is inside my warehouse. They will go and loot it. These people. They will loot it. Do you want them to sack it? Mama, they cannot sack me.
Hey.
My best. Yeah, wait, fair, man. Sister, Chisoba, nothing can make. It's enough. Drop the melody. Chisoba, get up. Go. Back in the teeth.
You see from here, this fence here, down to the other end. After this part through, but you can see what cassava is in there. You move it like that again to this other end. Yeah, where those blocks are. Then come to this coconut tree. That is where the land stops. All of them belongs to you. Okay. After payment, everything inside automatically becomes yours.
You mean including this cassava?
Oh yes, you can have them. Even the sugarcane, all. They are yours.
Okay, from that pool there.
Yes.
Down to this end, right?
Yes, oh yes.
I think the land is good because I intend to erect a build mansion here. And I think, okay, this side I can build my car park here. This will be the entrance and that's the gate. So how do I get the papers?
That is not a problem at all. As soon as your payments are made, I'll make it available.
In that case, no problem. I'll make some transfer to...
Nayokori! Nine! What are you doing on my late father's piece of land?
Will you get out of this place, you little brat?
Hold on, sir. Please, who is this boy and what is he talking about?
Don't mind this small boy of a useless mother.
Nine, you can call me whatever name you chose to call me. It's not a problem by me. Sorry, sir. This piece of land belongs to my late father. And it's not for sale. Don't mind this greedy old man.
Will you get out of this?
Master, please, come back. Yeah, it doesn't call for that, please. Sir, please. I am a very honest and genuine businessman. Please, tell me, are you sure you are the rightful owner of this land? Is this land genuine?
I said, just trust me. Are you counting on this useless small boy who does not know anything about land? These are the demons we have in this village that are spoiling people's businesses. So you can imagine.
I don't understand why he will come here and make such comments.
Mama! Sister Tina! Mama!
What is it?
Mama, as I was coming back, I met Mazoko in our farmland, negotiating the piece of land with a man. Mama, I tried to stop Mazoko and he chased me to cutlass. Yes!
Mazoko chased you to cutlass?
Mama,
Mazoko
Make a transfer to you and that will be it. Yes. Please make sure the papers.
No problem at all. No problem at all.
Hey! What's in here?
Hey!
See them.
Nayokori! Wicked man! So you really brought somebody to come and buy the land that my husband left? Hey! Nayokori! Diego!
A greedy man.
Nayokori! You want to sell this land? You want to sell this land? Nayokori, you will kill me!
Madam, please.
You will kill me! Obunya Diego! You will kill me today.
Please, woman, please, madam. What is the meaning of this?
Hey, Mr. Man, listen to me. I guess you are not deaf or blind to understand that this land you are about to buy does not belong to this man, but to someone else. And that someone else happens to be my father, my own father. So if you have not given him your money, better collect it now. Now.
Mazi, I thought you gave me your words that this land belongs to you. So what is the meaning of this drama?
Hey,
What's going on here?
wait. Is it every land they bring you to come and buy that you buy? They're standing there.
Don't buy them! Don't buy them!
Come on, balance! On your side! Come on, balance! Come back and take land!
Evil man!
Mama?
I'm not even going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. So, they should come. Maybe we will bring the man later in the night.
Let's go.
Hey! Nayo!
Mama?
I know you are already set for the palace.
Oh, man, I want to go there and see what it looks like today. Today is today. I've been hearing a lot about that palace. I must visit there today.
Okay. You have to add more makeup. This one is not enough. Add more.
Mama, you know I'm not a makeup person. I'm just okay with this powder because after all, I'm not going there to look for a husband.
Tina, you have started. Who can predict where your husband is coming from?
Mama,
Your husband can come from anywhere. Add more.
Oh, you're certainly not from that palace.
Yeah.
Emeka Biko, please help me. Take it inside. Bring my handbag for me. Mama, don't worry. Your daughter is beautiful.
I know.
I don't need too much makeup. Who will like me must like me.
Of course.
Whether makeup or not.
Of course. Sure.
I want to go and see Sister now. Please, no disobedience. Make sure you do whatever Mama asks you to do. You know that? Mama Kanga.
Okay, my dear.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Be safe. What is it?
She should bring something.
You should bring something. Hey, Emeka. Emeka.
Mama.
Stay there. Wait for her to bring something.
Okay.
Oh, beautiful girl. Hello. How are you?
Are you referring to me, sir?
Of course I'm referring to you. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
Oh, you look so beautiful. Wow.
Thank you. I'll take that as one of my daily compliments. Can I help you, sir?
Of course. You see, you're a beautiful girl. And I'm a very vibrant young man, okay? So, I want you to be my woman and I'll be your man. The two of us, okay? Let's rock it together. Yes.
Sir, are those words meant for me?
Of course they're meant for you. See, don't mind the way I look, don't mind my age. You see, don't mind the body. Consider the engine, okay? I've got so much to offer. So much.
With all due respect, Nani, you must be very, very, very stupid. Yes, you are. Look at a man old enough to be my grandfather. You're standing there vomiting such rubbish to me. Listen, let this be the first and the last time you will ever stop me on the road to vomit such. You won't like the end of it. I promise you. It's useless men like you that go about looking for sex-enhancing drugs to take and then look for a small girl to die on top. It's not me. I am not your candidate. Never you stop me again for this rubbish. Useless man.
Before you eat, you take permission from Jezebel. Before you walk, you take permission from Jezebel. Naka Jezebel, our chief cook, royal chef, Tosila, royal chef, the one of the pedigree, our chief cook, Aniga Lachaka. But no version can match a testing. This kind life with no balance well. Onye la la chabala once yo. Onye bunyelonche a chabute. Shebi na you be the talk of the town now. Chizo bangwa if in a me. Ona gafesi kwake ina ringi zikwa bel bagam udegine dezikwa bagam.
We will not tolerate any member of this association fighting on the streets or anywhere in. We have gotten the information that one of our respected members, Meso, was fighting at Chinyere's house due to parental issues. We will not tolerate that. Every member of this noble association should be very, very careful.
Oinsi, Ogochuku, you should have asked me what the problem is, and I will explain.
Exactly.
Not bringing my family issue that is supposed to be private to this meeting.
Mesoma, ask you what? We should all be very careful with our words. You went to Chinyere's house to fight with the children. And all of you knows they fight on this issue.
Will you shut up?
Why?
Let's not fight over this. Let's not fight over this issue. We are not here to blame anyone, but we are only here to collect our fine accordingly.
Thank you. Yes.
You, Emerie, Tina and Chizoba will pay your fine.
Yes.
And again, anyone that is expecting us to share this morning after the dance is dreaming. We shall not share it.
Yes,
why? But we will use it to do something meaningful.
Like
sitting on that shed year in, year out.
Biko,
let's start our rehearsal. Biko.
Yeah.
Can we
share the money?
This 1 million is very important. Biko, share money. See them first. You like sitting under this shed every year?
Yes.
Fresh beans.
Yes.
That we go. Shall we stand the rehearsal before?
Oh, yeah.
Udoka, did you peep very, very well to see or to watch these girls, how they are twerking, shaking their huku? Jesus. Let me tell you, we have girls that have fine uku. fine uku girls. Do you know that she nearly caught me? She nearly caught me staring at her beautiful waist. I love that girl. I don't know how to talk to her. I love that girl. I love that girl so much. Udoka, do you know who you are? You are nothing but a dustbin. Yes, a waste product. An idiot. Don't you know that the Chingo is from your clan? See, I don't know how you want to toast your own sister. It is an abomination. I come and drop well. No. Chinwe is not from my clan. She's not. Have you forgotten that we have two Chinwe in this community? The one that got married to Mazi Anthony Watu and this one. So she's not. I love her. I love that girl. I love that girl. Why? See, this thing is just stuck on now. So, in fact, I'm very, very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. It's just because of all these men that we travel abroad, but they won't come back home. They want to know even the banda. See, you have my own support. 100% power. And I want that. Everybody is see, what Udoka? Do you see that slim? Oh no, go. Pino, green beans. If you see how this girl is working, shaking, this girl, let me tell you the truth. I have fallen in love with this girl. That time she was twisting this thing, I was nearly to grab and I had something that maybe require. See, we'll share it two now. One for me, one for you. See, they will never pass us by. Because the reason why I'm doing this thing, because of her brother. Her brother has made the money. Can you try? They will never pass us by. Hey! One for you. One for you. They will never pass us by. I know how I will grab I will balance very well.
Set her clean. But the magic today, my sister came to visit. She's the one that's okay.
Oh, mother, I told you that. Even though we all know that she's over here knows how to cook, but today's own is something else. I told you. I knew it.
So you brought your sister to the palace to cook for us, and you never bothered to introduce her to your family.
Majesty,
I brought her to greet you, but you were in your room, you were busy. So when she finished cooking now, I bring her to come and greet you before she go home.
It's okay. You can go. You make all this.
It's testing. The testing one, because these days, the salt and the maggi, it's always too much to pass the food. Testing it.
It's okay. All this for testing.
But you have to be doing
I understand.
Don't
Don't worry, swallow what you're chewing before you talk. It's okay. I understand. Oh, it's okay. You can go. Okay? It's okay.
Don't finish that meat though.
I'm tired of this girl.